morning, my dear students. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe.
Okay, students, so let's start with our today's topic, that is multiplication. Now, students, as this topic is not new to you because you have already learned multiplication in your previous classes. So, before we start with our next chapter, that is multiplication and division, let's take an example of how to solve the multiplication sums. Now, here the first example is 341 multiplied by 6. So first what we will do, as this is a 3-digit number, that means we have to write the place value till 100. So we will write unit, tens, 100. Now here how many number is there to multiply? It is 1. So leave one line and copy this question. 341 multiplied by 6. So always remember that we have to start doing the multiplication from the unit place. So 6 ones are how much? 6. Then 6 fours are how much? 6 multiplied by 4 will be 24. So what we will do? 2 we will do carry here and 4 we will write down. Now 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 and plus 2. How much it will be? It will be 20. So the answer is 20,046. Now moving to the next sum. Next example, 514 multiplied by 23. Here now students, we are going to multiply this number by 2-digit number. So first we will write the place value as it is a 3-digit number. So we will write 100, tens and unit. Then here 2-digit number is there. So we will leave 2 line for the carry. So 514 multiplied by 23. Now 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 1 we will do carry here and 2 we will write here. Then 3 ones are 3 plus 1, it will be 4. 3 fives are 15. So we will write here 15. As there is no number over here, we won't do carry, we will directly write down. Now students, we will multiply 2 by these 3 number. But student, as you can see that 2 is at tens place, so we cannot start writing the answers of 2 from here. That will be wrong because we are multiplying these 514 by 20. So what we will do, we will write first here 0. Now at unit place there will be 0. Now we can multiply 2 by these 3 numbers. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So we will write here down 10 because there is no number to carry. So we will write 10 down. Now we are going to add both these numbers. So 2 plus 0 will be 2. 4 plus 8 will be 12. So 2 we are going to write down and 1 we will be carrying here. Do not carry this 1 over here. That will be wrong. If we are adding these two numbers, so we will do the carry over here. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 1 plus 0 will be 1 and 1 we will write as it is. So your answer is 11,822. So this is the way you have to solve your multiplication sum. Now students, remove your maths notebook and take a new page. Write today's date and on the margin write lesson number 4, multiplication and division. Then write problem set 14. Remove your textbooks also, students. Then copy the first question, that is multiply, and down copy first sum, that is 327 multiplied by 92. Now students, remember that you have to solve one sum on one page. Okay, you have to write it in a very neat and tidy handwriting. It should look neat. So solve one sum on one page. So let's start with our sum. First of all, we will write the place value, unit, tens, 100. See, solve how I am writing in a very neat and tidy handwriting. Keep the distance between the numbers so that it should look neat. Now the number is 327. Now your 2-digit number, we have to multiply this number by 2-digit number. So we will leave 2 lines for the carries. 327 multiplied by 92. Now 2 sevens are how much? 14. So 1 we will write up above 2 and 4 we will write down. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 1, 2, 4 plus 1 will be 5. So we will write here 5. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now next number, as I have said you that 9 is at tens place, that is 90. So we are going to write down here 0. Then we are going to multiply these numbers by 9. 9 sevens are how much? It will be 63. Now students, we are multiplying 9 by 7. So answer is 63. So we will put the 6 above 2 and 3 we will write down. Always remember, when you are multiplying any number, if the answer comes in 2 digit, the one number you will carry beside the number, beside this number, that is 2, above 2. Now 9 multiplied by 2 is how much? It will be 18. 2 9s are 18. So 18 plus 6 will be how much? It will be 24. So 2 I am going to write here and 4 I will write below 6. Now students, when you multiply the second number, always give the carry on the second line. Do not give it on the first line. As we have used it for this number, now we are multiplying this number. So always write on the second line. Now 9 threes are how much? It will be 27. And plus 2, it will be how much? 29. Now we are going to add both these numbers. Always remember to write the plus sign over here. Now 4 plus 0 will be 4. 5 plus 3 will be 8. 6 plus 4 will be 10. So 0 I am going to write here and 1 I am going to give the carry over here. 1 plus 9 will be 10 again. So 0 I am going to write here and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 2 will be 3. So your answer is 30,084. See, this is the way you have to do the sum. Now take a new page and copy the next sum. That is 807 multiplied by 126. As I said, first we will write the place value. This is the 3-digit number. We have to see this number, first number, to write the place value. So 100, tens, unit. Now here students, 3-digit number is there. So we will leave 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will copy the question. 807 multiplied by 126. So let's start with our multiplication. Now 6 multiplied by 7 will be how much? It will be 42. So 4 I am going to write here and 2 I am going to write down. Now 6 multiplied by 0. If you multiply, always remember, if you multiply any number by 0, we get the answer 0. But here above carry there is 4. So we will write here 4. Now here 8 6 will be how much? 6 8 it will be 48. So we will write here 4 and here we will write 8. As there is no number to do the carry, so we will write both the number down. Now we are taking the tens number. So we will give here 1 0 and then we will start with our multiplication. 2 7s are how much? It is 14. So 1 I'll write up and 4 I will write down. Now again 2 multiplied by 0 will be 0. But here carry is there. So we will write down here 1. Now 2 8s are how much? It is 16. So 1 and 6. Now we will take the third number. Now students, as we will multiply 1 by these number, 1 is at 100 place. So now we will be writing here 20 because we are going to multiply 100, these 807 by 100. So that is why we will write here 2 zeros. Now we will multiply 1 7s are how much? 1 1 0. If you multiply 1 by 0, you will get the answer 0. Now 1 8s are how much? 8. So we will do plus of these three numbers. See. Now 2 plus 0 will be 2. 4 plus 4 will be 8 and plus 0 will get the answer as 8. Now 8 plus 1 will be 9 and 9 plus 7 will be 16. So we will write here 6 and 1 we will do carry over here. Then 1 plus 4 will be 5. 5 plus 6 will be 11. And 11 plus 0 will be 11. So 1 I am going to write here and 1 I am going to give carry over here. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 will be 10. So our answer is 10,16,082. So this is the way you have to write. Now moving to our next sum. Take a new page and copy the third sum. That is 567 multiplied by 890. So first, as you can see, it is a 3-digit number. So first we will write the place value. 100 tens unit. Now here also 3-digit numbers are there. So we will leave 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. And then we'll copy the first number 567 multiplied by 890. So let's start with our sum. Now 0 multiplied by 7 we will get the answer 0. 0 multiplied by 6 will be 0. 0 multiplied by 5 also will be 0. Now we will be taking the number which is on the tens place. So first we will write here 0. Now 9 multiplied by 7 will be how much? It will be 63. So we will write here 6 and 3 we will write down. As I've said student, if you take the second number to multiply, you will do the carry on the second line. Now 6 multiplied by 9 is how much? It will be 54. 6 multiplied by 9 will be 54. And we will add here 6. So how much it will be? It will be 60. So 6 again I'll carry here and 0 I'm going to write here. Now 5 multiplied by 9 will be how much? 5 nines are 45 plus 6. So how much it will be? It will be 51. Now the third number. So now this is on the 100 place. So we will write here 2 zeros. Now we will multiply. 8 sevens are how much? 8 it will be 56. So 5 I will put here and 6 I am going to write down. As it is a third number, so we will carry on the third line. Now 8 6 are how much? 48. 8 6 are 48. So plus 5, it will be how much? 53. So 5 we are going to carry on the beside number and 3 we are going to write down. Now 8 5s are how much? 40 and plus 5. So it will be how much? It will be 45. So now we will put the plus sign and then we are going to add all these three numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 3 plus 0 will be 3. Then 0 plus 0 plus 6 will be 6. 1 plus 3 will be 4. 5 plus 5 will be 10. So 0 will write down and 1 we will do carry. 1 plus 4 will be 5. So your answer comes as 50,46,000. Sorry, 5,04,630. Okay. So now we are going to do the next sum. Take a new page and copy the fourth sum, that is 4,317 multiplied by 825. As this is a 4-digit number, so we will write the value from unit, tens, hundred and thousand. Now this is a 3-digit number, so we will leave 3 lines 1, 2 and 3 and copy the first number, that is 4,317 multiplied by, now this is a 3-digit number, so we will write from 100, 824. So let's start with the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 7, how much it will be? It will be 28. So for 2 we will write here and 8 we are going to write here. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 will be 6. 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12. So 1 we will do carry here and 2 will write down. 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16 and plus 1. So it will be 17. Now we'll take the second number. So we will write here 0. It is a tens place number. Now 2 sevens are how much? 14. So 1 we will write here and 4 here. 2 ones are 2 and plus 1 it will be 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. Then we will take the 8 as it is on the 100 place. So we will write here 2 zeros. Now 8 multiplied by 7. How much it will be? 56. So 8 sevens are 56. So 5 we will write here and 6 we will write down. 8 plus 1 will 8 multiplied by 1 will be 1 plus 5 it will be 13. So 1 we will do carry here and 3 we are going to write here. 3 8s are how much? 24 and this 1 plus 25. 2 we are writing here and 5 down. 8 4s are how much? 32. 32 plus 2 will be 34. So we'll write here 34 and plus signs. Now we are going to add all these three numbers. 8 plus 0 will be 8. 6 plus 4 will be 10. Plus 0, again it will be 10. So 0 here. 1 we will do carry over here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 6 will be 12. So 2 will write down. And 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 7 here. 1 will do carry over here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8 will be 10. And 10 plus 5 will be 15. So 5 we will write down. And 1 we will do carry. 1 plus 4, 5. And 3 we will write as it is. So answer is 35,57,208. Understood, students? Now moving to our next sum, that is the fifth one. 6,092 multiplied by 203. Now this is a 4-digit number, so we will write the place value from unit, tens, hundred and thousand. Now here we will multiply by 3-digit number, so we will leave 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Then we'll copy the sum. 6,092 multiplied by 3-digit number, so we'll write from 100, 203. So let's start. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 nines are how much? 27. So 2 we will write here and 7 we will write down. Now 3 zeros are 0. Here 2 is there on carry, so we will write here 2. 3 6 are how much? 18. So we'll write 18. Now here 0 at the tens place, so we will write down here 0. Now we'll multiply these number by 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 9s are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 6 are 0. As I said, any number you multiply by 0 will be 0. Now we will take the third number. So we will put here 2 zeros as we are multiplying by 100. 2 is at 100 place. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. So we will put here 1 and 8 we will put down. Always remember, students, if you are multiplying the third number, you will do the carry on the third line only. So it will be easy for you to do the addition, because you will be confused if you will put here down only. So always put whichever number you are multiplying, put the carry on that line. Now 2 zeros are 0, but here 1 is there, so we will write 1. 2 multiplied by 6 will be 12. So we will write here 12. Now we will add both these numbers, all these three numbers. Now 6 plus 0 will be 6. 7 plus 0 will be 7. 2 plus 0 plus 4 will be 6. 8 plus 0 will be 8. Plus 8 will be 16. So 6 here and 1 we will do carry. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Plus 0 plus 1 will be 3. Then 2 we will write as it is and 1 we will write as it is. So your answer is 12,36,676. Now next sum we'll be doing on the next page. Copy the sum. 11,077 multiplied by 99. Now 4-digit number, so we will write 10 unit, tens, hundred and thousand. Now this is, we will multiply it by 2-digit number. So what we will do, we will leave only 2 lines and copy the number 1000. It is not 11,000. I'm sorry student. 1177. 1177 multiplied by 99. Now 9 sevens are how much? It is 63. So 6 we will write up and 3 we will write down. Again 9 sevens are how much? 63 plus 6, it will be 69. So 6 we will write here and 9 we will write down. 9 ones are 9 plus 6 will be 15. 5 here and 1 carry. Again 9 multiplied by 1 will be 9 and plus 1 it will be 10. Now next number is 9. It is on tens place, so we will write here 0. 9 sevens are 63. So 6 here, 3 down. 9 sevens are 63 again. Plus 6 will be 69. 6 here, 9 down. 9 ones are 9. Plus 6, it will be 15. 1 here and 5 down. 9 ones are 9 and plus 1, it will be 10. So 10 we will write down. Now we are going to add both these numbers. 3 plus 0 will be 3. 9 plus 3 will be 12. So 2 will write down and 1 we will do carry. 1 plus 5 will be 6. 6 plus 9 will be 15. 5 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 0 will be 1. Plus 5, it will be 6. 1 plus 0, 1 and 1. Now, so your answer is 1,16,523. Understood, student? Now, the next sum. 7th sum. That is 456 multiplied by 187. So we will write the question first. Now it is a 3-digit number. So we will write here unit, tens, hundred. Now 3-digit numbers we have to multiply. So we will leave 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3, and copy the sum. 456 multiplied by 187. Now we are going to multiply. Just a minute. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. So 4 we will write here and 2 we will write down. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So plus 4 will be how much? 39. So 3 we will write here and 9 here. 7 multiplied by 4 will be 28. Plus 3 will be 31. So 31 we wrote here. Now 8 is at tens place, so we will write 0. Now 8 6 are how much? 48. So 4 we will write up and 8 we will write down. 4 5s are how much? 40. 8 5s are 40. Plus 4 will be 44. 4 we will write up and 0 down. 8 4s are how much? 32. 32 plus 4 will be 36. So we will write down. Now 1 is on 100 place. So we will write here 2 zeros. Then we will multiply 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Now we will add all these three numbers. 2 plus 0 will be 2. 9 plus 8 will be 17. 17 plus 0 will be 17. So 7 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 0 will be 2. Plus 6, 8. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So 4 down. 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4 will be 8. So your answer is 84,872. Now moving to the next sum. 8th sum. 6,543 multiplied by 79. So first we will write the place values. Unit, tens, 100 and 1000. Now we will multiply these number with 2-digit number. So we will leave only 2 lines over here. Copy the sum. 6,543 multiplied by 79. 79. It is 7. So let's start. 9 multiplied by 3 will be 27. So 2 I am going to write here and 7 here. 9 fours are 36. So plus 2 will be 38. So 3 here, 8 down. 9 fives are 45. Plus 3 will be 48. 4 down, 8 here. 9 6 are 54. Plus 4 will be 58. So we will write down. Now 0 over here. 7 threes are how much? 21. So 2 we will write here and 1. 7 fours are how much? 7 multiplied by 4 will be 20. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. Plus 2 will be 30. So 3 over here and 0 here. 7 fives are 35. Plus 3 will be 38. So 3 will write up and 8 down. 7 6 are how much? 42. Plus 3 it will be 45. So 45 we will write down plus sign. Now we are going to add these numbers. 7 plus 0 will be 7. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 8 plus 0 will be 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So 6 will write down and 1 we will do carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 will write down your carry. 1 plus 4 will be 5. So your answer is 5,16,897. Okay students, now the 9th sum. 2,306 multiplied by 832. Now this is a 4-digit number, so we'll write the value still. 1000, unit, tens, 100 and 1000. Now here this is a 3-digit number, so we will leave 3 lines over here. 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll copy the number. 2,306 multiplied by 832. Now 2 6 are 12. So 1 will do here carry and 2 we will write down. Then 2 zeros are 0. Here 1 is there, so we'll write here 1. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. Then we will put 0 over here as we are taking the tens number. Now 3 6 are 18. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. So 1 will do carry on the second line and 8 we will write here. 3 zeros are 0. 1 is there, so we will write here 1. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. Then we will take 8, so we will put here 2 zeros. Now 8 multiplied by 6 is 8 6 are 48. So we will write here 4 we will write here and 8 we will write down. Then 8 zeros are 0, but here 4 is there, so we will write here 4. 8 threes are how much? 24. So 2 we will write up and 4 we will write down. Then 8 twos are 16. Plus 2 will be 18. So we will add both these all three numbers. 2 plus 0 will be 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 will be 9. 1 plus 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 will be 15. So 5 we will write here and 1 we will do here carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9 will be how much? 14. 14 plus 4 will be 18. 8 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 we will write here and 1 we will do carry. 1 plus 8, 9 and plus 1. So answer is 19,18,592. Now moving to our last sum, that is the 10th sum. The question is 6,429 multiplied by 509. As it is a 4-digit number, so we will write the place value till 1000. Now here we will multiply this 4-digit number by 3-digit number. So we will leave 3 lines over here. Then we will write the sum 6,429 multiplied by 509. So let's start. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. 1 here. 9 twos are how much? 18. 18 plus 8 will be 26. So 2 we will write here and 6 we will write down. Then 9 fours are how much? 36. 36 plus 2 will be 38. So 3 we will write down and 3 will write up and 8 will write down. 9 6 are how much? 54. 54 plus 3 will be 57. So we'll write down. Then 0. Now 0 9s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 4s are 0. 0 6 are 0. Then we'll multiply all these number by 5. Now we are taking the number which is 100 place, so we will write here 2 zeros. 5 9s are 45. So 4 we will write on the third line because we have taken the third number. So 4 we will write up and 5 we will write down. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 1 we will do carry over here. 4 we will write down. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 will be 21. So 2 we will carry on the beside number and 1 we will write here. 5 6 are 30. Plus 2 will be 32. So we will add all these three numbers. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 6 plus 0 will be 6. 8 plus 0 will be 8. plus 5, 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 we will do carry. 1 plus 7 will be 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Plus 4 will be 12. 2 we will write here. 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. Plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7. 2 we will write as it is and 3 as it is. So we have got this answer. Now students, with this we have done with our multiplication sums. Students, as I have write one sum on one page, you have to write like that and do the sum in the middle and keep the distance between all the number so that it should look neat and clear. Now the first part of the problem set 14 is finished. There are 2 more sums and those 2 sums are the homework for you. So everyone complete the sum and make your book neat and tidy. I will see you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.